Python, one try multiple except. In Python, is it possible to have multiple except statements for one try statement? Such as
Yes, it is possible. See this URL. The as keyword is used to assign the error to a variable so that the error can be investigated more thoroughly later on in the code. Also note that the parentheses for the triple exception case are needed in Python 3. This page has more info. Catch multiple exceptions in one line, except block.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.